I think not many people know that Perplexity can also generate a usable chart like this one. And by the way, this is not an AI generated image. This is a chart that is based on real data. It is different than creating an image using the DALL-E or the Flux model, because those two models tend to hallucinate and will add something that is not supposed to be there. But this is based on real data, so it's not going to hallucinate. And I can even download this item as a regular image and I can upload it somewhere else to my website or maybe on other platforms. So in order to create a chart like this one, it's actually very straightforward. You just need to ask Perplexity to generate a chart, and you can select the chart that you want. You can generate a Venn diagram, you can generate a pie chart and a line chart and many more. So you can actually generate a lot of things with just Perplexity. Just give them the data and it will generate the chart that you want. So I will try again using this data. I just asked Perplexity about the US inflation rate in the past 10 years, and I can turn this data into a usable chart. So I will ask Perplexity to please generate a bar chart from that data. So usually what it's going to do, it's going to do this programming, and behind the scene that code will actually represent the data and it will be converted into sort of image like this one. So this is, yeah, I think this is quite straightforward. This is exactly what it looked like from this table. And of course I can click on this icon and then turn it into an image, and it is something that is going to be a lot easier to transfer around. So yeah, that's how you can generate a chart using Perplexity. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.